To accomplish great things, we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. Honored guests, to our confirming official, our untiring district in charge of Liloan District 2, Dr. Marcelo G. Dator, our hardworking barangay captain, Honorable Nancy G. Mungit, our supportive and kind-hearted school lead teacher, Ma'am Arlene C. Cadayuna, our loving and intelligent teachers, energetic PT officials, beloved parents and relatives, fellow graduates, dear friends, a pleasant and wonderful afternoon to all of us. The most significant event in students' life is none other than graduation. Since today is the end of our elementary education, it brings us a mixture of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals and pain for saying goodbye to the people who become part of our lives. In behalf of my classmates, I would like to thank God for all the blessings and to the people who are instrumental and who work hard for our success. Our graduation is even more memorable because you have spent time and effort to ensure that we will have a meaningful ceremony. Thank you, dear teachers, for the knowledge you have given us and all those lessons you have shared with us. Thank you, parents, for working hard to give us a good education. We are happy that you are here with us today because this is a milestone for us. And so, my dear teachers, parents, honored guests, in behalf of the graduating class of 2023, it is my utmost joy and pride that I welcome all of you to witness and celebrate our success. Very soon, we shall march in this first stage, one by one, to receive our awards and diplomas. Fellow graduates, we are about to reach high school. We must enjoy the next 6 years of our lives. Our alma mater, Yentelan Elementary School, taught us the values that we need to become resilient in order for us to face our future without fear. I wish you all good luck for the coming years in our lives. May the years to come be kind to all of us, and may God and His wisdom bless us with success. Thank you very much. Once again, welcome and good morning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.